In the heart of the dense jungle, there was a thriving monkey kingdom ruled by King Bongo, a wise and just leader. His kingdom was famous for its harmony, as every monkey had a role to play, from gathering fruits to swinging between trees to scout for danger. One day, a cunning snake slithered into their territory, spreading fear among the monkeys. The younger ones panicked, but King Bongo calmed them. He devised a clever plan. He assigned the swiftest monkeys to distract the snake, while the strongest monkeys wove a net of vines. When the snake lunged at the decoy, the net fell, trapping it. The monkeys cheered in unity as King Bongo declared, "Strength lies in working together." The snake was safely relocated and peace returned to the monkey kingdom, where the lessons of courage and teamwork were never forgotten.